Babes, good morning. It's 9:19 and this is my third snow day in a row. I figured I would schedule my nail appointment today. I'm hoping the roads aren't too bad. If you guys could tell in the beginning of this video, there's snow, but the way that my apartment is situated, that we're kind of like inside and in the corner, so we don't really get to see a lot of the snow when it's actually coming down, so I have no clue what it looks like out there. The only time I've gotten to look is when I've been walking to the gym. I have not left my apartment at all since like Sunday or Monday, so we will have to see what it looks like, but I think I'm going to get at least a good way through my Alani, and then I need to get dressed and go up to the parking garage and scrape my car because there's no way it doesn't need to be scraped. It's also 5 degrees out and I don't even know if my car's gonna start, so I want to make sure that all is well there. And then I have a nail appointment because, oh my god, these are so grown out. I can't tell if I want to cut them shorter or actually keep them longer because I go through phases and like waves of wanting them longer, and something about spring and having longer nails, I feel like this is like normally what my nails look like. But then I also do love my little nubby nails. Like I posted this on Pinterest and those are my nails, and I do love my little nubs, you know, but I don't know yet. We will see what we do. Oh, I'm also getting a pedicure too because it's gonna be actually exceptionally really nice next week, thank god. And I just know my toes are gonna be out, so I'm gonna get a pedicure today. And then I had to make one of those absolutely trifling Target orders where you have to order like your deodorant and your lotion and face wash, and it's like $9 million. Here's to that. I'm gonna drink some of this, kind of wake up a little bit, bundle up, and go scrape off my car. I will see you guys probably when I'm doing my makeup to go to my appointment. Okay, that actually wasn't as bad as I thought. It's just terribly cold. It is 9:50, so I need to go ahead and get my makeup started because before I know it, it's gonna be time for me to head to my appointment. So I will see you guys here in just a second. Okay guys, first of all, I just got sweat on the camera. I'm all done with makeup. I made a quick little TikTok and a YouTube short, so I'm gonna get dressed now. It's gonna take me like 15 minutes to drive there, so I'm not really particularly in a rush. I think the highways are fairly clear, and it's not rush hour or anything like that. I scheduled it specifically to avoid rush hour into where I need to go and then out of where I need to go because I do live basically in downtown KC, so I always try to avoid the traffic, and I think I'm kind of getting a hang of the times. Once I get back home, I honestly have no freaking clue what I'm gonna do. I probably am just going to make like a lunch or something. I've ordered some things from Target for dinner and for lunch. I really want to make a good just like tuna sandwich. That might be gross to some of you, but I freaking love tuna sandwiches. I've been craving like some celery and stuff like that to like chop up and put in my tuna. So I'm excited for that, and then I'm going to kind of just relax and maybe clean a little bit. I don't know, have no clue what's going on this third freaking snow day in a row, but you guys are gonna be with me. I'm vlogging on my phone right now, but these are my nails before. I kind of already showed you this morning. I just took this guy off because I have my pink slush. I'm going to go ahead and look how, oh my god, it's 4 degrees outside. 4 degrees. Thoughts and prayers for me for this cold. I will see you guys once my nails are nice and fresh. I'm back in my car. They look so cute. This feels so long to me. I got a fresh set. They're medium, but they feel so long. But I love this length and shape on my nails. It's like a very wide almond. And then I did get my toes done as well. They're pink. Can't show you because I'm bundled up. I'm going to go ahead and head to Target to get my Target orders. I don't really think I need to make any other stops. If I do, I'm gonna end up spending too much money, and I just dropped $100 at the nail salon, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, head home, and I will see you guys in a second. I'm back. I just went to Target to go get my pickup order, and then I went to Dollar Tree, so I got some kombucha for the week. Obviously, that is a staple. I got a bunch of random stuff, just like reading up on my toothpaste. By the way, this is the best of the best. Every time I stop using this and then I use a different toothpaste, my teeth are never as white. Then I got my deodorant, so fun. The fun stuff actually got, I'll just give you a Dollar Tree haul because my fun stuff is from Dollar Tree. I love their claw clips. I needed just a big old clip because mine keep breaking and they don't hold my hair. I have a lot of freaking hair. I actually got a handful of hair accessories. I got these really cute scrunchies because I was hoping on days when I do my hair oil and I'm letting my oil sit in my hair, I can just do like a cute like top knot bun and then just wrap this around it because I feel like I've been seeing people do their hair like that a lot where like this is just kind of poking out. Really cute. Never get this anywhere else but Dollar Tree. I got some Q-tips. I got some Cape Cod chips because I'm gonna make a tuna salad for a late lunch and I know that these are gonna smack with it. So I got some of those. Gummy clusters because I actually like these for my runs and it's gonna be really warm next week and I don't have any good shoes left, so I got some of those. This new little headband for like my get readies with me's and also just in the morning so that I don't always have to use like that super tight scrunchy type of headband. And then I also love picking up toothpaste caps at Dollar Tree as well because there's just no reason not to get those there. I think that's it. But yeah, like how cute are these scrunchies and that hair clip? I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna make my lunch and get all this stuff put up and I will see you guys here in just a second because I do have some chores to do. Okay, I just put the new claw clip on and it's like such a relief to be able just to like actually clip my hair. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but all I did was kind of put my hair in like a mini bun and just clip it and it's like, wow. My claw clip's actually big enough, but I'm gonna clean Mr. Stink's litter box because that's one of the things I put off yesterday, so I have to get it done today. And then I'm gonna make my late lunch, and then I'm also going to start prepping dinner because dinner is gonna be in the crock pot tonight. So I need to at least get that in the crock pot by 3, so then it gives me like 3 hours for the chicken to get cooked. I'm gonna start prepping dinner, and dinner is really easy. It's just something I've actually made it on a vlog before, but it's like a chicken pot roast, but I season it kind of Italian, if that makes sense. But you use 2 cans of cream and chicken, and then you put chicken broth or vegetable broth, whichever one you have, and then you do pesto, Italian dressing, garlic, like all that stuff. But right now I'm just gonna get the base in, and then you also put potatoes, but I'm gonna roast the potatoes first and then add them because last time it took forever for them to cook and it was really annoying. But I will show you guys what that all looks like later into the vlog and what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, it's 3:50, so it's like a super late lunch, but I told myself I was gonna finish all my emails for school and then also to friends before I eat my tuna sandwich. But I just have my bread in a pan and then pepper jack that I sliced up on it. So excited, and then I'm gonna eat my chippies with it. It's gonna be so good. Freaking yum. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I packed my lunch for tomorrow. I literally just packed the same tuna salad fixings that I had, and then a sparkling water and my rest of my chips. So that'll be a really good lunch tomorrow if we end up having school. I'm assuming we will. I'm getting the vibe that we will, unfortunately. Tuna actually keeps you so full for so long because it's very, very protein packed, so.